Tara na sa bahay.
Sam! Sam!
Paco's all the talk of the indulgence right now.
Oh, Paco.
Can't seem to keep his pants on for one woman.
Indulgence?
A sex party. Dinala ni Paco si Sam and naturally, nagwala si Sam.
Ano? Bakit alam mo to?
I got the invitation last week. Don't worry, love. I don't attend those kind of parties. It's not my style.
Sorry ha. I didn't mean to hurt you, pero ang wire freak mo kasi.
Kasalanan ko pa? Ha? Kasalanan ko, I was violated pa ako. Ang tingin mo sa akin, para akong pokpok na pwede mo ipasa kung kani-kanino?
Of course not.
Then why are you treating me like one? Bako, asawa mo ko? Ano, hindi ba ako sapat sa'yo? Hindi ka ba masaya sa akin? Yun ba yun? Ha?
Sam.
Huwag mo kumuha ka, nadidiri ako sa'yo. Bako, hindi ako nagmamalinis. Pero, iningatan ko yung sarili ko para sa tamang lalaki, para sa'yo. Tapos ganito yung gagawin mo sa akin?
I'm so...
Hindi ko kailangan ng sorry mo. Ang kailangan ko sagot, kailangan ko paliwanag.
Hindi ko alam na ganung klaseng party pala yon. Nagulat lang din ako, sa totoo lang.
Ano?
I was just invited. It was my first time there.
In fact, Paco has been to those parties quite a few times.
Ang swerte ko hindi ganun yung asawa ko.
Yes, you are very lucky. You married the right Palacios. Not that rotten one. If alam ng isang kung anong klaseng lalaki at pinakasalan niya.
May mga tinatago pa bang sikreto si Paco?
Let's just say, hindi lang si Rebecca ang may sakit sa pamilyang to. If anything, Paco sicker na mind.
What do you mean?
Pag nalaman ni Sam lahat ng ginawa ni Paco noon, mababaliw siya.
First time. Kilala mo lahat ng tao doon? Alam mo yung paksikot-sikot? First time mo?
It's the truth. It was my first.
Oh my God. Oh my God, stop lying. Please, I'm giving you the chance to explain here. Stop lying.
I am telling you the truth, Sam. I would never lie to you.
You just did. Pinanindigan mo pa.
What are you doing? Ano ginagawa mo, Sam?
Leaving.
You're not leaving. You're staying here. Sam? Sam, hindi ka alis, ha?
No!
No, hindi ka alis. Kapag umalis ka, magpapakamatay ako. Sige ka!
Don't worry. I will go to your funeral.
Sam! Sam!
Bako, ano ba? Bako, ano ginagawa mo? Nagpapaliw ko na. Tama na!
Sam!
Tigilan mo yan!
Sam, sorry. Just listen to me, please. Listen. If you love me, forgive me. Isa lang naman ang pagkakamali ko eh. I didn't even mean it.
Ano gagamitin yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo para patawarin ka? Tigilan mo yan!
Sam!